only thing you have to assemble. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there's over 1 million of back injuries reported in the United States each year, representing a significant portion of workspace injuries and illnesses. Come back to another video. We got the Vevor hydraulic table. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more. Get the hydraulic lift table, model number TF15, capacity 150 kilograms, height 720 millimeter, growth weight 45 kilograms, made in China. That's the way it looks. All right, so we do handle a lot of tools here. Unfortunately, they're really heavy, and I wanted to get one of these tables for the longest time ever. Big shout out to Vevor for sending us this tool to test for you guys to see if it works or to see if it doesn't work. Thing out of the box, we got instruction manual, a handle. If you want to fold the handle for storage, this is the place you have to squeeze, and you can let go to lock it in, and same thing with the other one to lift it. And this is the only thing you have to assemble, which is the screw and this lever, and you should be all set there. For the brakes, it does have on and off. I did it with some pliers because this is meant for your foot, so it's actually kind of hard, and your foot's perfect for that. So alright, so this is what it looks like right there. Pretty nice platform to work on. Flat surface on the top. Nice hydraulic piston. Rubber casters. That's the piston right there. It says top, no stroke. Everything's assembled, guys. All you gotta do is just put lever in the top. Drops down. It's nice. This lever. Alright, before I let it go down, I'm going to go ahead and read what it says right here. It says hydraulic table lift, Vevor tools, high tools, half price. Alright, so that's what it looks like pretty much on the ground. Very easy to lift. Goes almost all the way up to the truck. Keep that in mind that this is a lifted truck. 29 inches. That is perfect. You're going to put something really heavy on that. Work on the generator, a lawnmower, whatever you're gonna do. You can put it up there, clean it up. It works as a flat surface, as a work table. That way you're not bending over. Get yourself a nice seat. A big heavy generator right there. Let's try and lift this thing up. Alright, you wanna lock the wheel. Generator is up. Easy, guys, easy lift. Even if you're doing your oil changes through here, service on the lawnmower or a generator like this is perfect. Save your back, guys. Be smart about it. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.